Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable check spelling on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click here on settings. Here, just click on it here. So then when you click on settings, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on general here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on keyboard here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to check spelling here, just click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean check spelling disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.